like, oh, what an idiot, or oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, this will do. The shot's me pretending to put my gloves on. Yeah, I saw like an industrial, that's not the word I want. Saw a big loading bay for big trucks. I took some pictures of the bike there a few weeks ago and got some really cool ones. It was like a bit of a rainy day, so they're quite like moody photos. So at the end of the ride, when the sun's a bit lower, if it's not too nice of a sunset, I might go there. I think I'm actually going to come off the dike because I want a little bit more kind of industrial style photos tonight. I don't want like sunset dike photos. So we'll take the next right and see where that takes us. This right. See where it goes. Ooh, cheeky little Porsche. See, something like this would photograph really well where I'm going now. Like, yeah, it looks like he's just on his way back from work. He's not really it's not the kind of Porsche that's going to want to come on photo shoot, is it? Okay, so I'm going to go, I believe, left here. Oh, he's also going left. Okay. It's like that, Mr. Porsche. Oh my god. It's very bumpy, this road. It's not the kind of road you want to be going on. Well, no, this is the massive bay. Like, I just want to get a picture of it here, but I'm probably going to get kicked out. Well, we'll see how long we can stay before we get kicked out. Am I still recording? Yeah, I want to get some shots with the 150 to 500 Sigma lens, just to create a bit of compression and get a bit of a different angle. Most of the photos I've been taking so far have been with the 24-70 or the 85. So pretty much all the shots have been between 70 and 85. Got my earplugs in, so if anyone is shouting at me I can't hear them. Shooting on the Sony A7iii. And yeah, like I say, oh, Tamron, sorry Tamron 150 to 500 with a circular polarizer on it. Already looking pretty nice. Yeah, shooting an aperture priority with the shutter limit at 1/125th of a second. Hopefully a truck doesn't come in and drive over my camera bag, which I just left randomly over there. If people are interested, I'll do a Lightroom tutorial on how I edit my photos. Comment down below if you actually care. It's probably one of my favourite parts of the photography, is getting some nice clean edits. Yeah, nice, it's a good angle. One thing I've noticed with this polarizer on this tank, on the silver tank, it kind of very quickly looks matte if I kind of polarize it the wrong way. before I get too much more sweaty, let's go on a little ride. Okay. Well, we didn't piss anyone off, and it's quite a good spot. Definitely somewhere, if I get a chance to photograph somewhere like that Porsche, I'd definitely come. Something like a BMW M series car, or an Audi RS car, or a Porsche, or something a little bit kind of urban and mean would suit that location really well. So this is a route I haven't done before either. It just kind of follows the river. Should be nice and chill. Yeah, very scenic. This is a two-way road though, and it's only as wide as one car, so I think this is definitely going to have to be a on my way back up this road I'm going to have to put the external audio recorder on and get some nice raw POV stuff going back up, because this is beautiful. Hello sheep! Another Porsche. We have to assert dominance with the Porsche. We have asserted dominance. Nice, that sounded good. Right, we're going to cross the bridge. Fuck me. It's an aggressive speed bump. Cross the bridge, go back towards the river. Stop in the next kind of shady tree line. Get some good photos. I basically want better ones for my thumbnails. A horse down here somewhere. I also don't want to stop too close to someone's house, because they're going to be like, what are you doing? Fuck it, this'll do. Yeah, this'll do. Up. Makeshift Pete McKinnon, if you're watching this, I need the strap for the side of this for the tripod, and why doesn't it come with a bag? So I want to try and avoid anything in the background if I can. Okay, Hendrix exposing by one stop. Focus there. Polarizer. Not very good at pointing the camera in the right place here, but maybe that's better if I do that. And then I have a Bluetooth remote for this. Test it. You'll have seen the results, because I'll have put them up. Let's get a couple of portraits. This is also a brilliant tripod. It's the something Ulanzi 0Y. It's fucking brilliant. I'm doing different expressions, so if I've got a video where I'm like, oh what an idiot, or oh I'm an idiot, I can cut out me doing an expression. I'm going to stand just in front of the bike here, do a couple more, just me, bit of the bike in the background. Oh, such a good model. Okay, couple of shots me pretending to put my gloves on. Okay, you can see a couple more air balloons over there. So I think it's time to go for a little mish. We're going to do a POV ride home, which means let's just fucking take all this helmet off and stuff for a minute. Right, pause in the video while I cool down and set up for the POV. If you want to watch a bit of motorbike riding on a nice Dutch road with good exhaust audio and you don't want to listen to me talk shit, then follow the link at the end of the video. Cheers.